Most people spend their entire lives working for money. But what if I told you that you can make money work for you? In today's video, I'm going to break down the exact blueprint to financial success. Because financial success is not about having millions. It's about being able to be financially free and do things on your own term. Man, what's good, YouTube, y'all? I am back with another video. It's your boy, Recent the Cut. And if you guys do not know who I am, I'm a 21-year-old content creator from Illinois. And I do things like financial advice and self-improvement videos, things like that. You know, sometimes vlogs here and there. But today, y'all, I want to break down the blueprints of financial success. So if you guys would allow me, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm not gonna lie, I wrote you guys a big entire list, the whole blueprint step by step, and I'm gonna be giving it to you guys raw, no cuts, no edits. Y'all know how I get to the point. So while you guys listen to me, I got 20,000 people, man. We strong, consistent base. You know what I'm saying? We've done it. You know, we're great at saving money over here. Not the flex. We great at saving money over here. You know what I'm saying? We young and we still got a long way to go. But one thing I'm gonna tell you guys, when I come on here, when I teach you, when I tell you guys the things, results happen. All right, results happen. I'm a witness. People came back, told me things like, look, bro, you really spit the game, and I was able to save up $5,000-$10,000. You know what I'm saying? Not to say like I'm like a life coach or anything, but sometimes, hey, it get like that on the channel. So yeah, make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, and let's get straight into the video, man. No cap. So first off, what do I have for you guys, right? What is the first step to financial success? The mindset and vision, right? I'm gonna give you guys a quote to start off the video. Wealth begins in the mind. Okay? So first off, tell yourself, speak positive, okay? This is the first thing you should always do. Speak positive. Always tell yourself, look, I'm gonna be financially free. I'm gonna have financial success. And remember, like I said, financial success is not just having millions. Okay, somebody can have $1 million and they can have 1,000,000 problems at the same time. Someone can have $1 million, they can be in $1 million in debt at the same time. Okay, so today we're gonna break down how to really build up wealth and how to keep wealth, things of that nature, right? Because we're not trying to get rich, we're trying to be wealthy. Okay, so setting a clear financial vision and telling yourself you will reach that goal, manifestation, right? So first off, you need to be able. It all starts in the mindset. You have to be able to visualize it. Do you see yourself becoming financially free? Do you see yourself having financial success? Okay? And once you see yourself being financially free, you need to set a goal, right? Set a realistic goal. Reach that goal, right? You know, pay off your debt, this and that. Cool. Whatever you got to do. Then that's when we can start. All right? Which leads me to my next step, right? Step number 2 to financial success. Mastering income, okay? So this is how I like to call this one right here, right? So first, get one active income, right? What is that active income? The active income could be your 9-to-5 job, whatever you do for work, your career, cool. It really doesn't matter. As long as it pays good, as long as it keeps the bill paid, and as long as it's active and it's coming in weekly or bi-weekly, that's the first thing that you need to do. Second, you need to grab a side hustle, okay? Grab your side hustle. This is and I'm gonna come back to this later in the video, why the side hustle is so important. Grab a side hustle. And third, start to freelance a little bit. If you guys don't know what freelancing is, basically freelancing is, you know, you finding things on your own time. It's like kind of building up those entrepreneurship skills. Basically the same thing as a side hustle, you know, but it's more expanding that, learning new things, trying new things, taking risks. Okay. So those are the 3 sources of income that you need to be trying to really master, right? We're trying to master income, right? Okay, cool. So just like how I said, that side hustle, right? I got a quote for you guys. Your job funds your dreams, but your side hustle funds your freedom. Okay, this is so big. I'm gonna tell you guys. Okay, so what do I do, right? So I have a job. Okay, cool. This is my 9-to-5 job. That's fine. And this is my side hustle. YouTube is my side hustle, you know? So I fund things, I invest, you know, thumbnails, sometimes editors, sometimes people edit my thumbnails for me, right? But I have to get that money from somewhere. So I have to go to work, right? In order to get that money so I can fund this. And then, right, what comes next? What comes next? But your side hustle builds freedom. You guys see what I did there? Okay, I'm gonna say that fully together for you guys, right? Your job funds your dreams, but your side hustle builds your freedom. All right, so use that 9 to 5 job, that active income. Use that 9 to 5 job, okay, to support your side hustle, because your side hustle is the money that you need to be putting up, right? So my active job, that's the money that, okay, I'm using to fund my YouTube content, things like that, and I'm putting all my content money up. I put all my YouTube money up. I put it all to the side because that's gonna be the money that's gonna free me up soon, real soon. You know what I'm saying? This is not the money I make on YouTube. This is not to be spent. This is not to be touched. This is to be put up. This is my side hustle, okay? Because you're not just using that money that you're going to work for to splurge your side hustle money. That's not what that's for. Put that bread up, okay? That, because this is your side hustle is what's going to build you that financial freedom so you can start the freelance, right? I'm going to use my money in the future so I can be free, so I can start to find more ways to make more money. So that's why you need to master those 3 steps of income, okay? So which leads me to step number 3, money management. I'm gonna if you guys do not know this rule, some of you may know this rule. I'm gonna introduce you guys to the 50-30-20 rule, right? What is the 50-30-20 rule? So that is basically your 50% is your needs, your 30% is your wants, and the 20% is your savings. Okay, as you guys see, that all equals up to 100%, right? So 50% always take care of your bills, groceries, anything that's needed. Okay, there's no way around that. We have to take care of that. Okay, 30%, make sure you live your life as well, you know, so you're not just stressed out, you know what I'm saying, you know, go on your dates, this and that. Cool, live your life. 20%, throw it to the savings. You got to have a savings. Okay, and next up, another way to manage your money, try the Reese method. All right, this is a method that went viral in my first how to save your $10,000 video, right? So what is the Reese method? It's basically when you get your paycheck, right, like I always say, let's say you get paid $678 for the week. Take your $600, pay all your rent, pay your bills, this and that. Cool. Put that to the side. Take that $78 and save it. Right. So basically, you just taking out the base, which is the $600, and you saving the tax, which is the 78. You know, do that every week. Every week, you building up money, It's gonna stack up real fast. That's the Reese method. Okay. Cool. Right. Another thing, eliminate unnecessary debt. You know, this is big money management. You need to be figuring out what is unnecessary. What may put me in debt. I need to be tracking your purchases. It's not the fact that you're trying to penny pinch, but we live in a world of inflation. Do not be afraid to track your purchases. It's okay. You're not poor. You're not broke. It's just the economy we live in. It's the safe precautions that we have to take. You know, this is just a part of adulting. All right, which leads me to step number 4. Right? Building assets. Liabilities versus assets. When you make these purchases, you have to ask yourself, is it a liability or is it an asset? Okay? Right? Assets bring you more income. So assets is basically like an investment. You know, another word for asset is an investment, right? So you need to figure out, is this going to be an investment or a liability, right? So what's a liability? Things that will put you in debt, basically. So I got a quote for you guys. If it puts money in your pockets while you sleep, it's an asset. YouTube is a big asset for me. This is, you know, and I never knew this until like I really got deep into like the YouTube algorithm and like the analytics and things like that. But YouTube revenue, if you guys are struggling to find something that can make you money in your sleep, YouTube is the easiest thing to pick. And I'm gonna encourage this. All right, I'm not, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna encourage you guys. A lot of you guys be like, man, well, how do I make money in my sleep? I don't know how to do drop shipping, or I don't know how to do e-commerce. YouTube is absolutely free, and once you start getting paid, you make money in your sleep, right? Why? Because these views are steady generating while I'm napping. You drop a video, and as long as that video is still going up, your money is still going up at the same time. All right, so that is a great way. If you do not know how to make money in your sleep, start a YouTube channel. Trust me, you will thank me later. No cap. All right. So, which leads me to step number 5. All right. Investing for growth. Okay. Investing for growth. It's better to invest something than nothing. All right. Remember that. It's better to invest something than nothing. Okay. Encourage long-term thinking. You know what I'm saying? Learn long-term thinking. This is what we need to be doing. Think long-term. Think for the future. Okay. I got a quote for you guys. Get rich slow and stay rich forever. Get rich slow, stay rich forever. All right, there's no such thing as a get rich quick scheme. Grind it out. Grind it out. Be ready to hustle. Be ready to grind, right? Remember those three sources of income I told you? Active income, side hustle, freelancing. You have to be ready to do them all. This is the only way to financial success. We cannot do financial success is not based off of one side hustle. It's not based off of one job. It's not based off of just freelancing all day. You need to be working and making these things work together, right? Use your 9-to-5 job wisely. Use your side hustle wisely so you can get that freedom, so you can free yourself up, okay? Right? That investment will soon become like, that investment can become your emergency funds, right? Have an emergency fund, have a backup plan, have a cushion. It gets stressful. Life be life, and it gets stressful, all right? That's why I said, that's why it's better to invest something than to not invest anything at all. Sorry if you guys can't really see me. The light is coming through my window real heavy. Hopefully you guys can still see me. But yeah, stay with me though. We cooking up. We almost to the end, man. We almost to financial success, man. I'm giving y'all boys the blueprint, all right? So get insurance as well. You know what I'm saying? Step 5. This is investing for growth. Okay? Get insurance. Okay? Make sure y'all boys gonna need it. Things happen all the time. Car accidents happen. Medical reasons happen. Get insurance. Man, I really feel like this light is messing my video up, but it's cool. All right, we gonna get through this. We gonna get through this, right? Avoid quick get rich schemes, scams, traps. Okay, use your money wisely. Just as long as it take you to stack it up, it can be lost so fast, just like that. Remember, we're not trying to get rich quick. Remember the quote I just told you guys. Get rich slow, stay rich forever. Remember it. If you listening, put that down in the comment section. Put it down in the comments. I need to see who listens to these videos. Okay? And last but not least, man, my last quote I want to tell you guys is financial success, it isn't luck. It's a strategy. Start small. Stay consistent. And your future will thank itself. Your future will thank you. No cap. So with that being said, man, that's the blueprint to financial success. I hope you guys are watching this video, and I hope you guys are really listening to the videos. You know what I'm saying? Leave a positive comment down below. DM me on Instagram if you guys have more questions. If you guys want me to drop an ebook or a course, I'm open and I'm really willing to do that. I'm not gonna charge you guys an arm and a leg. You know what I'm saying? I really want to come out with this because I really feel like it's just a lot to put in one video sometimes. But I ain't gonna lie, hopefully you guys, watch this video multiple times, go back over the steps. But that's the blueprint right there. That's the blueprint, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, I know I love it, so I'm gonna be back with more content. Hey,